Welcome to the exciting world of online money making. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student looking for extra cash, or simply someone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind, there are endless opportunities waiting for you in the digital realm. In this video, we will explore 5 beginner-friendly ways to make money online. From affiliate marketing and selling products to freelancing and blogging, these avenues offer tremendous potential for financial freedom. So, if you've ever wondered how to turn your laptop into a money-making machine, read on as we unveil the secrets of online success. Getting started with making money online may seem overwhelming, but with the right approach and mindset, it can be a rewarding experience. Here are some steps to help you get started on your journey. 1. Define your goals. Before diving into any online money-making venture, take some time to define your financial goals. Are you looking for a side income, or do you want to replace your full-time job? Knowing what you want to achieve will guide your decisions moving forward. 2. Research different options. There are countless ways to make money online, so take the time to explore various opportunities available. From affiliate marketing and selling products online to freelancing and blogging, each option has its own pros and cons. 3. Choose a niche. Once you have an idea of how you want to make money online, narrow down your focus by choosing a niche that interests you or aligns with your skills. This will help differentiate yourself in the crowded online marketplace. 4. Learn from others. Take advantage of resources like podcasts, blogs, and forums where successful individuals share their experiences and insights about making money online. Learning from those who have been there before can save you time and effort. 5. Start small. It's important not to overwhelm yourself when starting out in this new venture. Begin by taking small steps towards achieving your goals, whether it's setting up a website or creating social media accounts for promotion, gradually building momentum as you gain confidence. Remember that making money online takes dedication, patience, and persistence. Success won't happen overnight. Stay focused on learning new strategies and adapting them as needed along the way. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and lucrative way for beginners to make money online. Essentially, you promote other people's products or services on your website or social media platforms, and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your referral. Getting started in affiliate marketing is relatively easy. First, you need to find a niche that interests you and has potential for profitability. Then, sign up for an affiliate program in that niche. There are many reputable programs to choose from, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Once you have chosen your program, it's time to create content that promotes the products or services you're affiliated with. This could be through blog posts, product reviews, or even YouTube videos. The key to successful affiliate marketing lies in providing value and building trust with your audience. By recommending products that genuinely solve their problems or meet their needs, they will be more likely to purchase through your links. To maximize your earnings as an affiliate marketer, it's important to continually optimize and track the performance of your campaigns. Experiment with different strategies and analyze the data to see what works best. Selling products online. Selling products online has become a popular way for beginners to make money. With the rise of e-commerce platforms and social media, it has never been easier to set up an online store and start selling your own products. One option is to create your own unique products, such as handmade crafts or customized items. This allows you to showcase your creativity and target niche markets that may be interested in your specific offerings. Another option is drop shipping, where you partner with a supplier who handles the manufacturing and shipping of the products. This eliminates the need for inventory management and upfront costs, making it an attractive option for beginners. You can also consider selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or graphic designs. These types of products have low overhead costs and can be easily delivered electronically to customers all over the world. To succeed in selling products online, it's important to do thorough market research and identify a target audience. You'll also need effective marketing strategies to drive traffic to your online store or product listings. Remember that building a successful online business takes time and effort. Be patient, learn from any mistakes along the way, and continuously adapt your strategy based on customer feedback and market trends. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way for beginners to make money online. It allows individuals to work on their own terms, choose projects that interest them, and set their own rates. Whether you have skills in writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, freelancing offers endless opportunities. One of the first steps to get started with freelancing is to build your portfolio. This can be done by completing small projects for friends and family or offering your services at a discounted rate initially. Once you have some samples of your work, you can start promoting yourself on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. When it comes to finding clients as a freelancer, networking is key. Join online communities related to your field of expertise and leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. You never know when an opportunity might arise from someone in your network. In addition to traditional freelance work, there are also gig economy platforms where you can offer quick tasks or services such as TaskRabbit or Uber Eats. These platforms allow you to earn money quickly without committing to long-term projects. As a beginner freelancer, it's important not only to focus on getting paid but also building relationships with clients. Providing exceptional service and delivering high-quality work will help you gain positive reviews and referrals, essential for long-term success in the freelance world. Remember that freelancing requires self-discipline and effective time management skills since you'll be responsible for managing multiple clients simultaneously. However, if done right, freelancing can provide financial freedom while doing what you love. So don't hesitate. Take the plunge into the world of freelancing today. Blogging. Blogging is one of the most popular ways for beginners to make money online. It allows you to showcase your expertise, share your passion, and connect with a like-minded community. Plus, it can be quite lucrative if done right. To get started with blogging, you'll first need to choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about. This could be anything from travel to fashion to cooking. The key is to find something that you love writing about and that has an audience interested in reading about it. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create your blog. There are plenty of platforms available that make it easy for beginners to set up their own websites without any technical knowledge. WordPress is one of the most popular options and offers a wide range of customizable themes and plugins. Now comes the fun part: creating content. Your blog posts should be informative, engaging, and well-written. Aim to publish new content regularly so that readers have a reason to keep coming back. Don't forget to promote your blog on social media channels as well. Monetizing your blog can be done through various methods such as ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even selling digital products like ebooks or courses related to your niche. Taking online surveys. Taking online surveys is another great way for beginners to make money online. Many companies and market research firms are willing to pay for your opinions on various products and services. All you need to do is sign up with reputable survey websites and start taking surveys. One of the advantages of this method is that it requires minimal effort. You can complete surveys from the comfort of your own home, at any time that suits you. Plus, you don't need any special skills or qualifications to participate. However, it's important to note that taking online surveys may not provide a substantial income. Most surveys offer small rewards or cash payments per completion, so it's unlikely that you'll become rich solely from this method. To maximize your earnings, consider signing up with multiple survey websites and regularly check for new opportunities. Additionally, some sites offer bonus incentives or referral programs where you can earn additional money by referring friends or family members. While taking online surveys may not be a lucrative option on its own, it can still be a good way for beginners to dip their toes into making money online while providing valuable insights to businesses. In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever before. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the online world or someone who wants to supplement their income, there are numerous opportunities waiting for you. To get started, it's important to have a clear understanding of your strengths and interests. This will help you identify which online money-making methods align with your skills and passions. From there, you can explore various avenues such as affiliate marketing, selling products online, freelancing, blogging, and taking online surveys.